Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Fortnite crashing problem. It's easy. If you want to fix it, first click here and then type device manager and click on it, and after that click display adapters. Now right click and update all the drivers that you will find here. And that's it. After that click here and type game mode settings and then click graphics settings, and now just turn on this option, and after that restart your PC, and after restarting your PC you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.